right? Instead of just cutting out a square. See, y'all, you make it too easy. Art is not something that's easy. Nobody want to buy nothing that they can do. People want to buy stuff that can't nobody do. That's what makes it art. That's what makes it important, because we give 100% to whatever we do. 100. We don't, if it's 99 and a half, it's not good enough. It has to be the best you can do. So, instead of me doing this way, I can put this lady, this is too small though, right? I could put her back here somewhere. But if I wanted this lady on here, I would have to put her way back here somewhere. Or way back here in the background. So she would be behind him. But to make it look like it's in perspective, she would have to be somewhere. But are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
And so it would be like the picture and drawing. That's what I did with these words. So say for instance, this picture was about something else and it didn't matter the size. I didn't know the picture here. I could put this picture here, I could glue it down, draw a line through it. See what I'm doing? So these lines here, I put it on the picture, then I would paint the picture in. These lines here, I could put on the picture. And I could just bring the blue over here, right? So this picture would, this now would be a part of that. So you're integrating. You know what the word integrate means? No. You're integrating different pictures. Say like I might, on your paper, you might have this picture, but then you could overlap it with that. Then you could paint over it or draw on it to make your picture, whatever your picture is about. Everybody understand what I want you to do? Okay. I want you to get to work, but I need you to finish in time for us to do the ice cream. If you don't finish this in time, we still won't get to the ice cream.